welcome to the channel. Today we will be getting my gaming laptop now. So let's go inside the car. So this is like the collection where you get like stuff. You can see. That wall there is like how they come down, and then the workers should collect them and then give it. So hi guys, this is my gaming laptop. It's one out package. You can see. So we're going to pick.
You need any help?
No.
Are you sure?
Yep.
100%?
Yep. Wait. Can you move it? So now we're going to buy some sweets for me.
Why you need sweets? An expensive laptop.
Because I love sweets.
And?
And they're nice. That what you need?
Do you recommend your real sweets or laptop?
Recommend. I will recommend sweets.
Sweets?
Yes.
Okay.
Sweets. So right now we're going to go and get my sweets. 25p each. One. Oh. So 5 cherries, and we're going to buy another 5 of Coca-Cola. 1, 2. Now we just need one more. Okay, you got them. We got all the Coca-Cola stuff up. My 5 Coca-Cola and my 5 cherries. This is one of my favorite cribs. Actually, it is my favorite. So let's go back.
Let's go then.
Yeah. So I think it's this way.
Where we go now?
I think it'll be just go straight forward.
Now you say.
So this is all the stuff. And now it's time to start. That's what we're going to go. That's the £2. We can't go tonight. Okay.
Yes.
No, we only said medical.
Yes.
We only said total. Go back.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Click. Click first.
Can I have it? Okay, no, is that what you said? Okay. What, like that? So this is strawberry, this is another one, and another one, and then another one, and then another one. Now it's Coca-Cola. And then we can burn those together somehow. Like that, and then we take this, like that. I'm putting lollipops inside. Lollipops, and this is my chili heat wave. You see, feed over here, chili heat wave, flavor, cola. So now just put my, what's it called? What's that one? There. Okay, no. I'm trying to do this. Bye-bye. So you see it's too bright, so I'm just going to use like the glasses now to read more better. You see, right now I can see like a motorbike. Yeah, this is my chilly heat waves. Right now we're going, so I'm going to hold on to it.
You can.
Wait. This way. Okay. That's good. Okay, you can a little bit of see like the window. Have to do that 2 times. My dad fixed it. Yeah, like that.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, so now I'm ready. Don't need the splashes anymore. So now I'll open up my hoodies. You see there they are. What is that? This. The last flavor. There's spicy. And that has a long flavor. Now, right now we're moving. You can see on the over there. You can see we're moving. Yeah. You see over there where the window is. There is a car, you can see. And that's it. So now we are nearly there. So you can see this is like our neighborhood. You can see that that's our neighborhood. It's like very far away from us. I don't even know if they're over there. Oh, you can see this is the park, it's coming. Are you? We passed it? Yeah, that. See that fence, the double fence, that was our park. We used to go on like every single day. After like school and like holidays. There was like 2 parks and one for was like kids and the other one was just for like older kids, like 7 and 8-year-olds. The first one had like a 2. The first one had like 2 seats, and then you're supposed to go in them, and then you're supposed to swing yourself. So there's our. So what guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing my laptop this time as a gaming version. So let's get started. So this is my brother Nisha. He's going to help me today. I'm here with him now. Yeah. Okay, so right now we're going to cut it with a key. Our coffee. Some reason. There you go.